tawag dyan, binigyan tayo ng same as an authority. Amen? Binigyan shoulder meaning responsibility to take authority. Amen? Na tayo, when we open, no one can shut. And when you shut, no one can open. Pag sinabang no one can open, kahit ikaw di mo open. Amen? You should not open it. Because you know that is bad for you. We choose to do what is right, and God will bless us when we do what is right in the sight of God. In the same way, inulit niya ni Jesus Christ sa Revelation 3, verse 17 to 18. Bakit niya inuulit-ulit yung salita niya? Kasi mabilis tayo makalimot. Amen po ba? Sabi niya sa Revelation 3, same way na inulit ni Lord yung phrase niya, yung quote na yan, in